Yes, this is Miss Sam. Who's calling? You're calling on behalf of who? Bishop. Which bishop that? Oh, Bishop Cockyhard. No, I'm not upset with him, man. He wants you to make a follow-up call with me. No, man, on the church go on too bad over money. I mean, I night. You mean first me call the little prayer line, feel little prayer, cause me did struggle. Lord Jesus, I'm always blow up my phone, I pay that no mind. Yeah, and after inside little prayer, me could have do better than that. In give me little dead half prayers. And you tell Bishop Cockyhard me say so. In little dead Cockyhard prayers. In give me. Yeah? And him have the nerve and the audacity if he ask me for money. Eh? If me have a credit card or a debit card. Eh? Why the church terrible, sir, over money, sir? Eh? When Jesus was here on the earth and he walked the land, he never asked for handouts. Him asked for no soul. I thought him asked for. He never asked for material things. No, Lord Jesus. Wanna act disgusting. And by the way, who the hell me I talk to now? Pastor Woody? I would have church my pastor. Eh? For him Cockyhard and you're cocky Woody. Eh? Pastor Woody? Lord Jesus. I wouldn't even bother ask what the sister's them name and the evangelist name them in the church. They're too frightened. I'm okay. Would I like to come and visit on a church? Say what? No, not with them the names there. Me no want no Cockyhard near me, and me definitely no want no Woody round me. Me alright, me have enough wood in my lifetime. A 50 maybe now. If me see another wood or another cocky, me no know what me I go do, me I go pass out. Me quite alright. Thank you, sir. Anybody ever see me die in trial? About you what? The devil is a liar. The devil needs to get behind me today. Get behind me, Satan. Get behind me. Oh, there's no place and there's no good up here for you. Oh. What? Bishop Cockyhard say him like the way on me, sir. Put him on the phone. Put him on the phone. Make me deal with him now. Give me a call. And you see, as soon as me finish this your conversation, me have the Lord number on speed dialing on my phone. And me I go call Archangel Michael and see what go on up at heaven. Because somebody up there now do them job. Them now watch you know. Because when I call and I try, carry on with no sexual stuff with people. Me's good people, man. Don't come call me and try and make me commit no sin or any adultery in my mind. And I talk about Bishop Cockyhard and you are Pastor Woody and I like how me sound. What? No treason, no daya. No treason, no daya. I'm not if I even want to talk to him. Me I go call Archangel Michael right now. Me I hang up the phone now. Bye. What if anybody ever see my dying trial? How would the world have come to? You know what? Me I go call Archangel Michael. No. Cause something has to go on here. Phone a ring. Lord Jesus, me look like something cat dragging. Look on this pizza we get. Hello? Yes, this is Miss Sam. This is the Heaven Hotline? Yes. Listen, we need to speak to Archangel Michael. No. Him busy? No, tell him I'm Miss Sam. Tell him I'm Miss Sam. Tell him I'm Miss Sam. Please, do. Papa Jesus. Please, tell him I'm Miss Sam. What's he doing? Busy doing what? He always come to the phone when I call him. What's he busy doing? Then I watch Miss Sam Entertainment show up on YouTube. Nobody no one get up onto them job. Lord, they want to get in trouble with the Lord. Me no want to get in trouble with the Lord, you know. Me no want to take blame that them I watch. Which episode them I watch? Who are you? You're the gatekeeper? Which episode them I watch? Lord Jesus, me in trouble with the Lord now. Them I watch Pinky Dance Art Club. Lord Jesus, me in hot water. And what was I watching the night before? No man, tell me what was I watching the night before? Pinky Escort Service? Lord God, me gone down a hell no. Jesus have mercy. No man. Get keeper, go get them. Go get Michael and tell him to stop the foolishness and stop watch me shows them. Cause he might go get me in the hot water. Right. Me hang on. Lord have mercy. Me in the hot water with the Lord. Archangel Michael. How what you do? You can't be watching them things in heaven, man. Nothing wrong with them. They're making the people them laugh. Me know the angels them need a little upliftment too, cause them a work so hard with the wicked people them down on earth. Me know, man. The Lord said it's part of the healing therapy for you angels. It's angel therapy. Lord Jesus. But stop take off my clothes. Alright then. Me I make the angels them a become lustful. Oh Lord Jesus. Them are angelical, me a flesh. Yeah, unless they want to me in the angelical too. Yeah. Listen, getting to the old point. Listen, we need you to take care of the situation, you know, for me, Archangel Michael. Put joke aside now. The one Bishop Cockyhard, you know him, right? And the pastor, Mr. Pastor Woody. Them a try to tempt me, but you know, yeah. Because I prayed the other day and them a look money and everything. So me have to cuss off Cockyhard, the bishop. Me have to cuss him. And tell him what he put the cocky. Nobody laugh, Michael, nobody laugh, it's not funny. Yeah. So you need to cuss out them out, you know. Yeah. Because them really don't need to be in the church because I'm trying to entice women like myself. And me know it. You know, so me I try to walk straight with the Lord. Me I try to do a little work. And make the people that laugh and feel good and heal them emotionally and mentally and spiritually. That's my calling, that's my ministry. Because me can't bother with the church them, you know. Because all they want to do, I tell the people them little money where them have to cook them little pickle and them little dinner and take care of them little picnic and them mama and them papa and everybody. Make them go find them money and them tithe and offering underneath them grand aunt fairy. Excuse me language, Lord forgive me. Yes. No man, them too wicked. Do something for me. You can do it for me? Yeah. Alright, keep on watching my shows. I love you, you know. Oh, what you say? I like you, know. I like you say you're angelical, you know. I love you, you know, Michael. I say you're fit, you know. I say you're nice. Not bother pay me son of mine. Yeah. Alright then, God bless you. Bye.